Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to hide profile picture on WhatsApp from some contact. On top right, you see three dots, so click on it, and then you see multiple option. Now you see settings, so click on it. So we are in setting option. Now you see privacy, so again click on it. So we are in privacy section. Now you see profile photo, so click on it. Now you see who can see my profile photo, everyone, my contact except nobody. So we are going to hide our profile photo from some or few contact or person. So we select this option, my contact except. Now you see all our friend list, contact list. So you can select like this. Now you see 4 contact excluded and then click on OK. So you can add multiple friend. Now you see profile photo updated, 4 contact excluded. So these 4 person cannot see my profile photo in WhatsApp. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.